Hello friends, I am Dr. Meghna Agarwal, consultant, Disha Clinics and Hospital, Ramdas Beat. Today I am going to speak about uterine perforations. Uterine perforations can be broadly divided into two categories, obstetric and gynec. Gynec perforations are usually forgiving, but the obstetric perforations require urgent attention and evaluation. Perforation should be suspected when there is sudden loss of resistance to the instrument. The instrument goes beyond the expected length of the uterine cavity. There is sudden loss of vision in a hysteroscopic procedure with collapse of the cavity. There is bleeding through the vagina, or you can see bowel and omentum through the vagina. Once a perforation is suspected, immediately abandon the procedure and evaluate the patient. If the bleeding is average and the vital parameters are stable, you can just safely monitor the patient for 24 hours giving higher antibiotics. If the patient remains stable, you can discharge the patient. But if the bleeding is heavy, the patient is still stable, you need to put a laparoscope to see for the rent. If the rent is small, just cauterize it. But if the rent is big, you might need to take a suture laparoscopically. If the patient is bleeding excessively and also deteriorating at the same time in terms of vital parameters, which usually happens in a case of MTP of a bigger uterus or while removing products of conception, you need to first confirm whether the excessive bleeding is because of rent or atonicity. This can be done by doing an intra-op ultrasound by putting a metal dilator in the cavity. Once a rent is diagnosed, you need to immediately open up the patient and see for the rent. If you can suture the rent and the bleeding is stopped and at the same time the patient is coming up, your procedure is done. But if the rent is big, you are not able to suture it, that is the sutures are giving way, you might resort to uterine artery embolization. If the facility is available, patient is giving you time, or you might to straight away proceed for obstetric hysterectomy. Take appropriate consent. Thank you.